If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
AT4 is a new trim level for the 2019 GMC Sierra that amps up its off-pavement abilities. The truck receives a 2-inch suspension lift complemented by Rancho shock absorbers, the aforementioned Eaton G80 locking diff and either 18- or 20-inch wheels, the former of which can be outfitted with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack mud terrain tires. In other words, all the types of upgrades off-roaders might want in order to take their truck out into the woods. The AT4 comes standard with a 5.3-liter V8, which is rated for 355 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque and is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Buyers can upgrade to a 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower, 460 pounds-foot, and a 10-speed automatic. And AT4 buyers can also opt for a performance air intake exhaust kit that'll unlock even more power and extra 12 horsepower and 6 pounds-foot on the 5.3 V8 and 15 horsepower/9 pounds-foot for the 6.2 V8. But you'll really want that option for the boisterous, rumbly sound it produces under heavy throttle. Other features include hill descent control, standard 4-wheel drive, dark finish exterior trim, a body-color grille and bumper, vertical-oriented red recovery hooks, Kalahari seat inserts and rubber floor mats. The AT4 is also one of only 2 trim levels, the other being the glitzy Denali that will be offered with the Sierra's optional Carbopro carbon fiber bed. GMC has said it will roll out the AT4 treatment to other models in its lineup, though we'll have to wait to see what the next model will be. The Canyon midsize pickup truck seems a likely candidate.